Hello Aries, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the you and your person reading. And in this reading, obviously they are also general, so they may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. On one side will be the cards of your energies, and on the other side will be the energies of the other person. But yeah, you can obviously uh, swap the characters or swap your sides according to whatever the messages are, which you will understand if the reading is resonating with you. So let's see what's there for you, Aries. This is your side according to me, but you can pick the opposite side also, your person, and the most likely outcome. Okay, so as far as these main cards are concerned, on your side, Aries, you are confused in this situation, in whatever you are dealing with. Okay, now this confusion can be because of the fact that you have many options. It can be that, or it can be some other reason that you are not sure of the feelings of the other person. It can be that, or it can be that you yourself are not sure of your feelings. So whatever the reason is, the situation is that you are, we will see it clearly once I take the clarifiers, but I'm just reading the initial cards first. So with the Seven of Cups, you are confused over something, and on your partner's side with the Four of Cups, this person is reluctant in accepting your offer. That's what I feel. So there is some sort of reluctancy over here in accepting your offer, or accepting your feelings, or recognizing your feelings, acknowledging them, whatever. And this is because, though I'll see that clearly, but it, as for now, what it feels is this person is reluctant because this person is upset because of some reason. Okay, they may be upset on, perhaps if they have lost something in the past, they may be upset over that. They're focused on something else basically, actually. Okay, it can be their past, something from the past which has already upset them. It can be that, or maybe they just don't, they're not interested, sort of. They just don't want any relationship. It can be that also. What I feel here is that this person is sort of angry over something. They're upset over something. They have that anger towards perhaps whatever life has done to them, or something like that. They have some sort of uh, complaints towards life, sort of. Okay, and that is why they're just not interested in anything. Okay, and here as the most likely outcome with the Three of Pentacles, what I feel here is that perhaps you people may sit down and discuss this situation, or you may be discussing individually with your friends and family. It can be that. So there is some sort of a discussion which is over here with as a likely outcome with the Three of Pentacles. Can be you, but that is what is less likely. More likely is that you are sharing your things with your friends and family, friends or family, and that, or maybe that person is doing that. But what I'm getting here is it's more on your side. And one more thing, what I have, which has suddenly drawn my attention, is that you are confused. There is something which you feel is, it's not a very positive energy. I'm not getting a very positive vibe on your part also. Perhaps you are aware of the fact that the other person is not interesting, and this thing is slowly and slowly sort of killing you or upsetting you. What the vibe which I'm getting here is that it is causing you so much of depression or upset energy that it feels that it's sort of eating you up from inside. Okay, maybe you are overthinking the situation, over analyzing the situation, because you are not getting what you are actually expecting, and because of this, it's sort of, it's eating you from within. That thing that your feelings are not being reciprocated or acknowledged, it's sort of eating you from within. That's what I'm getting. Okay, now let's see why is Seven of Cups here for. What are the other messages for you for the Seven of Cups? Let's see. We have the Eight of Wands, the Five of Cups, and the Ace of Wands. Okay. Okay, so let's see what are the energies on your person side. We have the King of Wands, the Queen of Swords, and the Eight of Cups. Okay. King of Wands, the Queen of Swords, and the Eight of Cups. And let's see what are the messages for the most likely outcome. We have the Ten of Cups, the Nine of Swords, and the Strength. Okay. Yeah, Aries. So what I'm getting here is that perhaps there has been a lot of communication in this situation in the past. Perhaps it started off very well. Perhaps there was a lot of communication, but then suddenly happened, or maybe you communicated a lot and you didn't get that acknowledgement or that much of reciprocation as much as you wanted, and that is what has upset you. That's what I have felt. That is what has upset you, and you are very, very depressed in this situation. Okay, and but you are looking for a new beginning. You want a new beginning, basically. You are looking for a new beginning. You want a new beginning, you want something good, you want something stable, you want something fresh. You yourself are not very happy in this situation, basically. So it can be that it started off beautifully with a very good communication and things were pretty good. It can be that. Or it can be that now you feel like communicating, since you are not happy with what is happening, and you are communicating and it just doesn't work out, and that is why you are very, very upset. But yes, there has been a lot of communication, or will be a lot of communication at some point in time, but it didn't sort of build up the relationship. Whatever the reason was, it wasn't of any use, and ultimately it was of no use, even if it was initially. And the thing is, you feel there is a loss of self-worth, you feel depressed, and you want a fresh beginning. Okay. And here on your person side, though it can be you, just pick your sides. On this side, we have the king of wands, we have the Queen of Swords, and the Eight of Cups. So what I feel here is, this person is, first of all, what I'm getting here is, you people are not facing each other. You have turned your backs to each other. That's what I feel. But one more thing is that this person is acting cold, totally detached, totally cold, and this person is not investing. That is pretty clear, with which I've already told you. And this can be because of the fact that maybe this person is wise. It's not, this person is wise. They have the knowledge as to what perhaps they feel it's not right for them. It can be that. But one more thing is that maybe this person is of higher status than you are, financially or status wise. Can be that. And maybe they feel that this thing is going to spoil or affect their sort of status. It can be that also. But and one more thing is, maybe this person is sort of dominating or arrogant or something like that. It can be that also. But whatever this reason is, this person is not interested, not interested, but they are pretty much in their own power. This person is, I don't think this person is this person knows, okay, but still they don't want it, sort of, whatever, for whatever the reason is. But this person is pretty much in their own power, is not pretty much in their own they are all right. That's what I'm trying to say. They are all right, totally all right. Okay, so you don't have to sort of think of any number of reasons as to this person is not accepting my this because this must be the reason and that must be the reason. No, this person is wise and mature, and they know what they want. That's what I can put it as. They know what they want, and they choose to walk away from this situation. Okay, so this is their decision. They are not interested, whatever the reason is, but they are pretty much in their own part. This can be arrogance, this can be domination, but these are the side things. What I feel is this person is, it's sort of how to put it, this person is pretty much in power and they just don't want to ruin it. They have everything in place, they have everything sorted out, they have everything in place, and they don't want to disturb it. That is why they're not interested. Okay, that is why they're showing that cold side to you. Okay, but this person knows what they want, and they're not interested in perhaps whatever this is, whatever. Anyway, so most likely outcome here, though we have the 10 of cups, but the thing is, there is a lot in 9 of swords and the strength. So even if it works out, because we have the 10 of cups, it may work out, maybe you are able to convince this person at some point in time, but it will require a lot of anxiety, a lot of strength to deal with this situation. Okay, it won't be that easy. It will be very painful, it will be taxing your sort of patience and determination. If you really want it, you can go for it, and you may try it, because here we have that you are discussing maybe this with this person, with your family or friends, whosoever they are, and you do have a most likely outcome as the 10 of cups. So you may get this person, or can be able to convince this person for commitment, but it won't be easy. It's hell of a job with the 9 of swords. A lot of anxiety, a lot of tension, a lot of sleepless nights, and it's really, it will tax your patience and determination. If you still want to go with it, it's fine, that's your call, that's your decision, but this is what it is. Okay, so let's see what is the guidance from the universe for you, Aries, in this situation. Be supportive. Number 45 or number 9 may be of some significance for you. Be supportive. Make a genuine effort to show you care. So perhaps if you work on this, maybe this person needs some sort of support in some way, shape or form. That you have to see. If you feel that you can be supportive, maybe this person doesn't feel supported in, maybe this is something which is lacking in your relationship, and that is what you need to show to the other person. So make a genuine effort to show that you care. So perhaps this is what is required, and if you work on it, so perhaps you may get this person, because it has come as a likely outcome. But yeah, that is for sure that it will tax your patience. It will be a tough thing to move ahead. It won't be that easy. Okay, Aries, so that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.